Hey friends, got a fun little update to the colored tags you can put on your deal and ticket boards. Check this out. So here I am on a deal board, and we added this ability to add these color-coded tabs a little while ago. What we've changed is that these are now exposed as a property. So if I go to view all properties here, this works for both deals and tickets. If I go to tags, we can see the deal tags right here. And since they're exposed as a property, that means you can use them in views, and you can use them in workflows, and you can use them in any of the places you use properties, but my favorite place is probably in reports. So check this out. If we go to reports, and if we will just create a report, we will go to the custom report builder, and we will choose deals as our primary data source, and then we'll go over these sample reports, and how about we choose this one. How many contacts are in each deal stage in my default pipeline? I'm going to break this down by deal tags so that I can have color-coded bar graphs. Awesome. This is now live. Check it out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.